Take a look at this code. The cursor is currently at the beginning of the console.write line method. Let's say you want to select console and write. Fine, many developers were not comfortable with keyboard, so we somehow here. So they slash the text as you drag and drop like this. Let's see how we can select the console.write line without using the mouse. The cursor here at the beginning of the line, you can hold down the shift key and then press the right arrow like this. This is the simplest way of selecting text in. I guess you already know that anyway. So let's take a look at the first way of doing this earlier. You land the control key, then present a round boundary. I show you how you can use the control key to move the cursor one word at a time. Let's review. So I'm holding down the control key now and then press the right arrow. The cursor moved one word to the right. See. Now back to example. I'm going to show you a quick way to select the console in right line. The cursor is here at the beginning of the line. Now we hold down the shift key to activate the selection and then use the control and right arrow to move the cursor one word to the right. Isn't this easier? Look at it again. What if you want to select the entire line? Earlier I learned that the hold in and key represents the beginning and the end or the current line. So if you want to select the entire line, you can just put the cursor here at the beginning and then press hold down the shift key to activate the selection and then press the end key to move the cursor to the end like this. Or similarly, if the cursor at the end of the line, we can hold down the shift key to activate the selection and then press the hold to move the cursor to the beginning of the line. But wait a second. Why do you want to select the entire line? Chances you are not selecting it just for the sake of selecting, and you most likely want to copy or cut it and then paste it somewhere else. If that's the case, you don't need to select the entire line. Let me prove this too. Let's say I want to copy this line and then paste it. Did you see? Did I select anything? No. I just press Ctrl C, selecting the entire line, and then Ctrl V to paste it. If you want to cut the line, you can press just Ctrl S. Okay. Very good. Let's look at another trace. Let's say you want to study everything for the console. To the end of the line, you can push the cursor here at the beginning of the console. Then you press Shift key to activate the selection and then the end key to move the cursor to the end of the line. Or you can press the Shift and then hold to select everything for the beginning of the line. To where the cursor currently is. There we go. And here, the last trace for this lecture. If you want to select everything in the file, simply press Ctrl and A. In short for all. So, let's recap. Press the Shift key to activate the selection. Based on where you move the cursor to, you can select the text. You can move the cursor with arrow one character at a time, but this is not. Instead, hold down the Shift and Ctrl key, and then use the arrow to select one word at a time. You can also use the Shift and N to select anything from where the cursor currently is to the end of the line. If you want to copy or cut the current line, you don't need to select anything. Just press Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl S for cutting. And finally, to select everything in the current file, press Ctrl A. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.